Hello everyone. In the previous video, I am telling about the emulsion, and today I will discuss the test for the identification of the emulsion. First is dilution test. In this test, take the few ml of emulsion and few ml of drops of water in a test tube. If the water is distributed, then it is oil in water, and if the water separates out, then it is water in oil. After that, take the few ml of emulsion and add dilution with the oil, and if the oil will distribute, then it is water in oil, and if it is separates out, then it is oil in water. Second is conductivity test. As you know, the water is the good conductor of electricity and oil is the bad conductor of electricity. Take the water in the beakers and put them connect with the electrodes. If the bulbs grows out, then it is oil in water, and if the bulbs become dim, then it is water in oil. Next is fluorescence test. As you know, when the UV light combined with the oil, then it becomes fluorescence. When UV pass through the oil in water, there will be the less fluorescence, and if the UV light pass through the water in oil, there will be the large amount of fluorescence. In this way, we can detect the identification of the emulsion. Next is dye solubility test. Take the scarlet red dye and add few drops of emulsion in it, and if the continuous phase become shining, then it is water in oil emulsion, and if the dispersed phase become shining and red, then it is water in oil in water emulsion. Next is emulsifying agent. As you know, the emulsifying agent is used for the reduce the interfacial tension between the oil and water. There are the various types of the emulsifying agent. First is emulsifying agent available from the vegetable sources such as acacia, tragacanth, agar, starch, etc. Emulsifying agent from the animal sources, examples are gelatin, egg yolk, wool fat. And emulsifying agent from the semi-synthetics such as methyl cellulose, etc. Synthetic emulsifying agents such as anionic, cationic and non-ionic. Emulsifying agent from the inorganic such as milk of magnesia, etc. Emulsifying agent from the saponins, and emulsifying agent from the alcohol such as carbovax and cholesterol. Next is, what are the choice for the emulsifying agent and what are the properties of the emulsifying agent. As you know, emulsifying agent reduce the interfacial tension between the oil and water. It should be chemical inert, it should be chemical stable, and it should reduce the interfacial tension between the oil and water, and it should be able to produce and maintain the required consistency, and it is reduce the interfacial tension between the two emulsible liquids. Now next is HLB scale. Its main hydrophilic lipophilic balance scale. It is discovered by the scientist Griffin that